NEET UG 2021 aspirants, lot of things are moving in your mind, lot of questions are arising. In fact, will exam be conducted on 1st of August 2021? You are also expecting, if it will not be conducted on 1st August, what will be the expected dates? Whether you will be vaccinated or not? Will it be conducted in September or October? Will the exam date will collide or clash with the examinations of CBSE 12th board of dissatisfied students? You see, lot of things are there, but before that, you see, what you should do is that, you see, you have got a dream to get a good college, to get a good medical college. Your family has also got dream considering you, and you have to fulfill the dream of your parents, your brothers, sisters, and everybody of your family members, and as well as yours also. So this is a crucial time for you, and you should not waste your time or energy in other things, which is bringing anxieties or distraction for you. Okay, so focus on your study. That is what I mean to say. And one more thing, because a lot of aspirants are asking me, will the exam be conducted on 1st August? What will be the date, expected date, in September or October? Or will it, few of you have asked that will it be conducted in November, which is not at all possible. You see, for 1st August 2001 it is not possible. First of all, I am telling you, not only first, in whole August it will not be conducted. Otherwise, NEET PG 2001, which is conducted by National Board of Examination of Central Government, has not been postponed up to 31st August. Clearly, Supreme Court has told them that up to 31st August, this examination NEET PG will not be conducted. It means it is another thing. NBE, which is conducting NEET PG, is a separate body, and NEET UG is conducted by NTA, but everything is controlled by Niti Aayog, PMO, Education Ministry, etc. And accordingly, they are observing and analyzing the situation of COVID also. Another thing you can also analyze, you see, I am giving you some data regarding the CA examination 2021. Here, only 3,74,000 aspirants were there, and Institute of Chartered Accountants of India has deferred their examination from 5th July to 20th July, explaining Supreme Court that this is the best time because COVID situation is going down. But this examination date have been approved by Supreme Court on certain conditions, like opt-out option. If any aspirant is not willing to appear in that examination, they can appear in November examination also. So opt-out option is also there. Second, if aspirant himself is suffering, or if any of his or her family member is suffering from COVID, that aspirant will be also getting chance for the next examination. He can also go for opt-out option. Okay, where number of candidates were, as I told you, 3,74,000 only, and in your case total around 15 lakhs to 18 lakhs aspirants are there, and that examination also only in one day, in one session. So you can imagine the contamination. Proportionately, chances of contamination is more in your case in comparison to CA examination. Similarly, you see JEE's main examination of first attempt and second attempt has been already conducted in February and March, and each edition of February and March were the examinations were conducted 3 days with 6 sessions of 3 hours. In your case, in contrast to them, it is 1 day and 1 session. Okay, so in each session, whereas in JEE means only around 1 lakh students are appearing, in your case, total 15 to 18 lakh aspirants are there. So rate of contamination in your case is same, means 15 to 18 times if you will compare with the JEE. So there is no comparison. Again, NEET PG examination, around only 1,74,000 students are there, aspirants are there to appear in this examination. Supreme Court has clearly told that up to 31st August, NEET PG will not be conducted. Okay, means and they will be informed 1 month prior. It means obviously September, either at the end of September their examination will be conducted, or it will go in October. And remember, 3rd October, your examination may be taken if 12th September will not be opted, because in the case of vaccination program, because government is very much worried about your health issues also, and afraid that if any of you will be suffering from COVID due to this crowd, it will be troublesome for them. Okay, so that date also, then they can defer the examination and shift the examination to 3rd October. And you consider another case, UPSC exam prelims is going to be conducted on 10th October. Okay, here also number of students are like you, around 15 to 18 lakh aspirants will be there to appear in UPSC examinations prelims. NDA examinations, similarly, it had to be conducted on 5th September 2021, and postponing this examination will be conducted now on 14th November. The date has been announced for them also, where number of aspirants are around 4 lakhs only. So consider the case, your examination also cannot be conducted on 5th September, because you are also having the same body which aspirants of NDA are having. So Niti Aayog, which is making the program and schedule and policies for all the examinations and aspirants, and again they are transferring this to either on UPSC or NTA or NB. That is the body defining all these things. So if your meaning to say is that if you same is the case with you also, so your examination also cannot be conducted on 5th September. So after that, next Sunday, which is the tradition of NEET to organize the examination on Sunday, next Sunday is 12th September. So that date is the probable date for you, earliest date. Okay, but if 2 doses vaccination is required, like Covaxin, where 28 days gap is essential and 15 days again to develop the immunity power in the body. Ultimately, it goes to 3rd October, nearest one. So that is why I have considered 12th September and 3rd October. Okay, so but you should plan now, keeping your earliest target 12th September, and before 1 month you should keep in hand to go for mock-up test, lengthwise mock-up test for physics, chemistry, and biology. Okay, then only, because in your case, in contrast to lot of examinations, you have to cross through a speed also, and in parallel you require accuracy also, and that is possible only when you start lengthwise mock-up test by August 15 at least, or otherwise a little bit before also, so that at least 1 month must be in your hand to be completely ready to appear in the examinations. If extra number of days you are getting, that is a bonus number of days for you, and you can brush up your knowledge, your chapters like anything. So you can so now guys, you must have understood what I had wanted to say you, and you please prepare well, like anything, without any anxieties and without any distraction. Okay, so best of luck for your exam, and don't forget to share it and like it. Please share it and like it, and subscribe it also if new aspirant has joined my video. So please subscribe it and share it and like it, so that others also must be benefited with it, and a fair competition must be conducted. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.